Future perfect tense in academic writing. Precision in expression. The future perfect tense is a valuable tool in academic writing that allows writers to express actions or events that will be completed by a specified point in the future. By using the future perfect tense, writers can convey a sense of completion or certainty about future events. In this tutorial, we will explore the usage of the future perfect tense in academic writing and provide numerous illustrative examples to help ESL students understand its application. One common use of the future perfect tense in academic writing is to predict future outcomes based on current trends or data. For example, by the end of this century, scientists will have developed a cure for cancer. In this sentence, the future perfect tense will have developed indicates that the action of developing a cure for cancer will be completed by the end of the century. Another use of the future perfect tense is to speculate about hypothetical future scenarios or events. For instance, if we do not take immediate action to combat climate change, the consequences will have become irreversible. Here, the future perfect tense will have become suggests that the consequences of climate change will be irreversible if no action is taken. In academic writing, the future perfect tense can also be used to emphasize the completion of an action or event before a specific future time. For example, by the time the project is due, the team will have finalized their research findings. In this sentence, the future perfect tense will have finalized highlights that the team will complete their research findings before the project deadline. Moreover, the future perfect tense can be used to express future accomplishments or achievements. For instance, by the age of 30, she will have published 3 books. In this sentence, the future perfect tense will have published indicates that the action of publishing books will be achieved by the age of 30. In conclusion, the future perfect tense is a valuable tool in academic writing that allows writers to convey completion, certainty, and precision in expressing future actions or events. By understanding the various uses of the future perfect tense and practicing with numerous illustrative examples, ESL students can improve their writing skills and communicate more effectively in academic contexts.